What you got? You got a blueberry? Do you see how small he is? That's a blueberry.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Do you want me to get a quarter? I'll look for one, but...
Look at you. Are you hungry? Huh?
Alright.
Oh yeah, buddy. Yeah. It's good mealy bug. Mealworm. Oh, is that good? He's gonna eat your finger. You better look out. That's a quarter.
You better give him food.
You gonna do it, Dad? Give him some food. Oops. Alright. You ready? Here we go. Don't get my finger. There you go.
Get the quarter. Oh.
Oopsie.
You just learn how to pick it up.
I know.
Which one picked
Get it?
up? I forget.
Guess not him.
Big Dot does.
Big Dot.
But only when he feels like it. That guy's fast.
Which Big Dot?
You see him? Get it. Good job. Oh, he's still a monkey. Ooh, I just squished it. You are so cute. There you go. Now don't drop it.
You didn't fill up your card.